Hi guys, welcome to BVV. We're going over some gaskets today. You don't want to get fooled by the import knockoff gaskets that aren't going to work as well versus the tried and true, in this case, USA made mesh. So a couple examples I have here. I'm going to put on a 6-inch tri-clamp just to show you. We'll start with just the standard Buna. The Buna N is the most basic gasket that we offer, and it fits easy, no problems. It's not going to be hard to clamp down or anything. This one is an import. I can already tell it's more stiff. It's not going to be as easy to manipulate, and also it's too big. You can see it overhangs on this side by my thumb. I try to push it on there, it's going to go off somewhere else. So that's one issue we may have with the imported gasket that's not checked for the quality standards that we allow. Here's a silicone one, same thing, versus here's an import silicone, which is actually, it's clear, which is one big red flag for us. We don't use this kind of material. But let's compare this to one of the USA made mesh gaskets. This one has a little bit of folding in the corners. It looks like it wasn't sitting in the mold right, and that causes the whole gasket to look like a paper boat or something, and it won't even sit nicely on your ferrule. Opposed to this one, let's slap it on there, no problem, clamp it down. Now a couple other examples are, I think this is a 10 mesh. So this is our version. It has a nice grid pattern to it. It's nice and uniform, and it's very rigid. It's a strong gasket. There's definitely not going to be any wires poking through the ends of the rubber material. Look at this one. First thing you can see is it's not uniform. All the different size grid pattern going on. It's also not straight. And then in some areas, see right here for sure, there's a small piece poking through. And that's going to really ruin your seal, especially if it's on this raised groove portion. It's going to be an issue in the future. One other example, this one's not concentric, and actually it has a rip in it. It's not even completely in the silicone. So this is a brand new, never used gasket, and it's already failed. So we want to avoid stuff like this. You might be tempted to save a few cents here and there and check out the Alibaba gaskets. A couple of suppliers have sent us samples over the year, and they're never going to be the same as the ones that we have had tried and true. I'm just going to see if this fits on this ferrule here. Again, it's a little bit big. It's hanging over the side here. I can't even get that to clamp probably. So this gasket's pretty much useless. So when buying gaskets, we try to bring you the highest quality, and we have for years. All these mesh gaskets are USA made, and we know the suppliers very well, and we work with them to make sure that we have the highest quality. So if there's anything that's worth importing, we'll definitely let you know. But for now, we're going to stick with the American mesh gaskets, and we think you should too. So thanks for watching.